Attention all you content creators out there. Are you frustrated and stressed with having to come up with content that people may or may not be seeing? Are you getting crickets on your posts? Are you pouring your heart and soul into your creation only to come up empty? I used to be that way until my mentor showed me a hack that I'm going to show you today. It all has to do with keyword research. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notify button. So the first thing I do is go on to Uber Suggest. It's a free platform from Neil Patel. Next, I type in what I want to search for. And as you can see, the website, it's doing its thing. Over 27,000 searches. A lot of people are looking for this. I scroll down and look for the keyword that I'm interested in. I then take it over to Answer the Public, another Neil Patel site. I put in the keyword that I was searching for, so it happened to be the same thing. And look what we get. Comes up in visual form, but you could also hit data and it comes up in column form. After I get what I want from there, the keyword from there, I then head on over to Jasper and tell Jasper what I need, putting in the information that I have for, trying to be as specific as I can. And voila! That's all you need to do. In the future, I'll be going over some things in Jasper that'll help to make it easier and faster for you to create content. But for today, I just wanted to go over ways that you could start getting those juices flowing so you can start creating content that'll start bringing people closer to you. If you want to build your business faster with less stress, make sure to click the link below, successwithkarenb.com. Pick up some of my no-cost or low-cost resources. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.